In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their continued acts of state terrorism martyred 32 Kashmiris during the last month in the Held Valley. According to Kashmir Media Service, at least 26 people were injured due to the use of brute force, including tear gas shelling by the troops in the territory. Indian police and paramilitary personnel arrested 92 people, mostly youth, and destroyed 3 residential houses during 180 cordon and search operations in different areas of the territory during the period. National Conference President, Farooq Abdullah has said that the killing of a woman teacher has put a question mark over the claims of peace and safety of people in illegally occupied Kashmir by the Indian government. Talking to media persons in Udhampur, he said, "The Kashmiris, including Pandits and Muslims, are being killed, but the Indian authorities are still reluctant to accept the fact and are claiming high and tall that the peace has been achieved."